Hello and welcome back to the How-To Boss. Yes, I'm very sorry that I haven't been able to upload for a long time, but here is my new video. How to clean earbuds. Cleaning earbuds is actually a lot easier than most people make you think. If you get wax in them and don't know how to take it out, then here is the easy way to do it. All you need is one of these earbuds or ear cleaners, and it should be double-sided if possible, so you can clean both earbuds without making a fuss. All you have to do is get your Q-tape, insert it, and rotate it gently to take all of the wax off. Here is how the Q-tip looked at the end, and your earbuds will be as good as new. And click on my channel to see all of my other utility videos related to this. And that is the end of today's How to Boss video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. Really hoped you liked it, and bye-bye.